How to install Rufus. Hey everyone, let's get started. On today's video, we will discuss how to use Rufus and also create bootable USB drive for Windows 11. So let's get started. First of all, go to this link of rufus.com. Then you will land to this page by Rufus. If you scroll down a bit, you will see the download section. From here, you can see all the latest release and you just have to tap on any one to install it. Once you have clicked on it, the download will start. Now you can go to your file explorer and the download section and check if the Rufus has been downloaded or not. You can simply tap on it to open the Rufus application. It will ask you for a request that you have to allow, and this way you will see the interface. Now, in order to create a bootable USB drive for Windows 11, you require to install Windows 11 ISO file. For that, you can open a new tab and search for Windows 11 ISO file 64-bit. Doing so will land you to this page from where you can easily download the file. Once downloaded, you can select your options and boot selection as well as drive properties, but make sure that you restore your drive properties and files before doing so. And just by that, you will create your bootable USB drive. So this was it for today. For more such contents, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.